In this video, we demonstrate the new color map features in FluoRender version 2.23. By default, colors are mapped to intensity values using a rainbow mapping. We can change the color map style by selecting a different mode from the drop-down list. Changing the mapping style to X, Y, or Z maps colors to XYZ coordinate values. A new color mapping style is called gradient, which maps colors to the gradient magnitude values. Structural borders have high gradient magnitude values, which can be emphasized using this style. MIP mode also works with the new color map styles. Internal structures of a thick sample may be visualized using the combination of MIP and gradient color map. Another new color map style is called differential. It assigns colors based on the gradient directions. Different color maps can be selected to change the colors. The reversed rainbow color map changes RGB mapping to the XYZ values of a gradient direction. Shading can be turned on to enhance the results of the differential color map. The hot color map uses a red-yellow-white transition to represent how a gradient direction deviates from the viewing direction. Change the color map's low and high values to expand or narrow the color range. Similarly, the cool and diverging color maps can be used. To generate a color-neutral rendering, we also added two new color maps, monochrome and reverse monochrome. They can be blended into an identical channel of different color settings. We add the same channel to the render view and reset its settings. We adjust the settings so that both channels can be seen in the composite channel intermixing mode. In this way, we have a base layer to show the general shape, and an effect layer to enhance certain internal structures. Settings of the two layers can be independently adjusted. You may choose to enhance the surface structure for the top layer, using the reverse color map to add a subtle shading effect. Change the color map style back to gradient for the top layer. The color map value range needs to be adjusted when the style changes. Use the monochrome color map to enhance 3D shapes so that the renderings are shaded similar to some results. A different color map can be assigned to the base layer too. We first use the default color map that maps colors to intensity values. Then, we change the color map style to map colors to Z coordinate values. This is also accompanied by the MIP mode. Adjust the brightness so that a clear visualization is generated. In conclusion, the new color map styles in FluoRender expanded the visualization possibilities.